Hi all, it's Alex from HAART Estate Agents outside a new property I've just listed on Westminster Gardens. It's a 3-bedroom end of terrace house with a garage to the rear and off-street parking on the front, and I can't wait to show you around. Let's go in and take a look. Right, well, thank you very much for joining me on my virtual tour. I hope you like enough on this video to give us a call and arrange an internal inspection. Just finishing up in the garden, so you can see behind me quite a low maintenance area with the detached garage at the end, which you've got side car access for. Okay, again, call us on the numbers provided. Can't wait to hear from you. Get you booked in. Take care. Bye-bye.